They call it the City of Love, but for centuries, it's been a city that should have drowned. A place where time moves slower and the streets are made of water. Welcome to Venice, a miracle built on mud, mystery, and madness. As you glide through its narrow canals, it feels like entering another world, where no cars exist, only boats and bridges. Every building, every stone seems to whisper stories of survival, because Venice isn't just a city. It's a living illusion that refuses to sink. It all began over 1,000 years ago, when people fled from war and invaders. They escaped to the marshy lagoon, where no army could follow, a place of mud, salt, and endless water. There they built homes on wooden pillars, hammered deep into the seabed. Everyone said it was impossible, yet somehow they made it work. And from that swamp rose one of the most powerful cities in the world. For centuries, Venice ruled the seas. Its ships traded spices, silk, and gold from distant empires. Its art, architecture, and music inspired all of Europe. The marble palaces you see today, they were built by merchants who turned salt water into fortune. But behind the beauty, Venice had secrets. Beneath its charm lies a haunting truth. Venice has always been sinking. Each year, the city lowers just a little more, its foundations fighting against rising tides and time itself. In 1966, a massive flood swallowed the city, and for a moment, everyone feared it was over. But Venetians rebuilt. They always rebuild, because this city, like its people, refuses to give up. Today, Venice stands as a symbol of endurance, a city of 118 islands, 400 bridges, and infinite beauty. Every day, millions visit, chasing the feeling of being somewhere unreal. But what they don't realize is they're walking on history that's slowly disappearing beneath their feet. One day, Venice may vanish beneath the waves, but until then, it remains a dream, floating between the past and the present. A reminder of what humans can create when they refuse to surrender. Because some cities are built on land, and others, like Venice, are built on hope.